Life is an arena of struggle. People choose various paths to reach their goals. However, the real path to success is not a random collection of steps, it requires a conscious strategy and solid planning. Success doesn't just start with setting goals, it also requires creating a step-by-step plan to achieve those goals. In the planning process, understanding your goal and knowing the steps to reach it are crucial. However, an essential truth must not be forgotten: plans must have the ability to cope with changing conditions. Flexibility is a key factor on the road to success. Strategy is an intelligent roadmap used in implementing the plan. Successful strategies are developed and optimized to meet challenges and cope with unexpected situations. However, strategy is not only on paper, it is also a combination of your actions. A real success story is written with the combination of strategy and planning. At this point, emotional intelligence and self-awareness come into play on the road to success. Understanding yourself, knowing your strengths and weaknesses can guide you to a better strategy and planning process. Success is not only a goal measured by concrete steps, it is also a state of internal balance and satisfaction. Another important point to remember is that the road to success is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience, perseverance, and continuous learning are the cornerstones of success. Each step is an opportunity to learn, and successful individuals are those who learn from failures. The road to success starts with strategy and planning, but it is not limited to them. Emotional intelligence, self-awareness, flexibility, patience, and continuous learning are also critical factors in this journey. Direct your efforts consciously to success, and enjoy this special journey that will lead you to your goals by turning obstacles into opportunities. Creating a step-by-step plan to reach goals is crucial on the road to success. Here are a few steps to make this process more effective. The first step is to clearly define the goal you want to achieve. Formulate your goal in a specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound way. After determining your goal, identify the resources, knowledge, and skills needed to achieve it. Conduct detailed research to understand what kind of plan you need to realize your goal. Divide the major goal into smaller, manageable sub-goals. These sub-goals are used to gradually approach your major goal. Each sub-goal helps measure your progress in the journey to success. Create a timeline for each sub-goal to achieve. Determining the steps you need to take on a specific date or within a time range motivates you and provides more structure to your plan. Identify the resources you need. Effectively using these resources will make it easier to implement your plan. Anticipate possible obstacles and risks you may encounter. This helps make your plan flexible and adjustable. Being more prepared when facing any problems. Regularly monitor your progress using the criteria you set at the beginning of your plan. This allows you to evaluate your strategy and make adjustments when needed. Motivate and reward yourself. Achieving goals can take time and be challenging. Motivating yourself and rewarding yourself during this process can increase your commitment to your plan. By following these steps, the step-by-step plan created will help you reach your goals in a more systematic way. Stay committed to your plan, evaluate your progress, and make adjustments when needed. This planned and determined journey is not just a means to achieve our goals, but also an experience that makes the path to success more meaningful and satisfying. Focus on learning, adapting, and internal strength as you step by step enjoy reaching your goals. May your journey be smooth and fulfilling.